Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Filipino recruiter. I receive your buy data from BBL Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes,
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
yes.
Okay, if you don't know how to communicate with the employer, there is no point of coming here. Better stay in the Philippines, okay? Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
Okay, so if you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time. Yeah? Okay, our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Okay. Agree, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am. It's the
Why
first
did
time.
you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because for my family, ma'am.
Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
I repeat, ma'am.
Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Malaysia. Malaysia lang.
So my question is why you didn't go in Singapore? Why you choose Malaysia?
Because is Malaysia is open country. My day off.
Got day off in Malaysia. What
Yes,
is your
ma'am.
name?
My name is Leia May Magusara.
How old are you?
My name is Leia May Magusara. I'm 26 years old. I'm live in Cadiz City, Philippines.
All right.
I-
So do you have your passport already?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So are you single or married?
I'm single, ma'am, but I have one child.
You are a single parent.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have boyfriend right now?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
January 26, 1999.
How old is your child?
5 years old.
What is your height and your weight?
5'3", weight, height, weight of 73.
Your weight is 73.
Yes po.
It's not 55 kg, right?
Not po kay before, kay kilo is 53, but now 73.
73, okay. So later you show me your height and your weight. I want to see it. Okay, ah? So what is your religion?
Catholic.
What about your educational background?
Graduate high school.
You mentioned that you are a single parent. Who will going to take care of your children later? Or I mean who will going to take care of your child once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My parents, my mother.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
Housewife, my mother, and I
Your
repeat niya, ano?
father? How old is your father?
My mother is 60, my father is 58.
What is their occupation?
Farm.
Farmer. So, how many brother and sister do you have?
Oh, ma'am, I repeat, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
Uh, four siblings, ma'am. One brother and three sister.
What
And
is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
the third, ma'am.
According to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience in Philippines way back 2015 to 2017. Is it housemaid?
Yes, ma'am.
Stay in maid.
Stay, ma'am.
In which part of the Philippines?
Quezon City.
What is your job responsibilities in Quezon?
All around, ma'am.
What kind of all around?
Cleaners, cook, all around.
You do house
And
chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing. You
I
do
repeat,
house
I repeat,
chores.
ma'am.
You do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you take care any children or any elderly inside the house?
Um, no, ma'am. Pero I take care mga animals.
What
May,
kind of pet?
my dog,
How many dogs?
cat, dogs, ma'am. Two or three. Yes.
3 dogs. What about cats? How many cats?
No,
Only dogs you take care.
only dogs. Yes, ma'am.
After 2017, do you have any working experience until recently?
Yes, ma'am.
In which, what is it? What is your working experience?
Same, ma'am. All around
Housemaid
her
also.
helper,
How
all
many
housemaid.
years? What year did you start it and what year did you finish?
Ma'am, slow the internet.
Okay. So how many years you work after 2017 as a housemaid and in which part of the Philippines?
Tagaytay.
How many years you
Tagaytay.
work there?
1 year.
What year did you started and what year did you finish?
I'm started 2023 and finish ko 2024.
All right. So what is your job responsibilities there?
Same, ma'am,
House chores,
housemaid.
cooking, laundry, and ironing.
Yes, ma'am, same, ma'am.
Did you take your children? No.
No, ma'am, because my employer is young, oldest. Old.
All right. So working as a domestic helper is a very tough job, and this is not an easy job for a first timer. Okay. So you need to think many times before you come here. Otherwise, once you terminate, you need to compensate the employer. Nobody force you to come and work here. Okay. I would like to let you know also the reality of working here in Malaysia. Houses here is quite big. Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. You might experience some things. You need to expect those unexpected things because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in the Philippines. Okay? You need to get
Okay,
ready
ma'am.
yourself. Fasten your seatbelt. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
I
take your
accept.
children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am. I can take care, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am. But
Okay.
no toll.
What is it?
Tapos, pet, ma'am.
Are you
Dog ba?
scared? You are scared with big dogs.
Yes, ma'am. I'm scared, ma'am.
Okay, but you are willing to willing to take care pets, but not big dogs
Yes,
only.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you will going to work quite far away from your child and to your family. How will you gonna handle your homesickness later?
Ma'am, I handle all the weak sickness, ma'am, because for my family.
How? What will you do if
Mm,
you miss your family or your child?
I call the phone, ma'am. Call the phone.
Okay, so this is a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Yeah?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes,
Usage of
ma'am.
mobile handphone. Are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. I agree, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here, okay? If you disagree, it's fine. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your child, knowing that you are a single mother also. In Philippines, you can be the boss there, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves, we need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because he will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Leah May. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay? Thank
Okay,
you
ma'am.
so
Thank
much
you,
and have a
ma'am.
good day. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.